What if our bodies could tune into nature's rhythms as effortlessly as a radio tunes into a frequency? Imagine waking up with the sunrise, your energy levels peaking with the sun's zenith and winding down as the stars twinkle. This synchronization could potentially enhance our mental clarity and emotional resilience. Natural rhythms might regulate our internal clocks, aligning our sleep patterns with the moon's phases, reducing stress and boosting our immune systems. The implications are profound, a world where our connection with nature fosters harmony within, leading to a balanced state of mind and body. Such a shift could redefine how we perceive our environments, emphasizing a holistic approach to wellness.